The Maytag F70 on a Maytag washer indicates a problem with the communication between the central control unit and the main interface board. This issue can be caused by several factors, including problems with the board, loose terminals, or a wiring malfunction. To fix the issue, it's recommended to start by inspecting the board. This can be done by disconnecting the washer from the power source, removing the top by taking out the screws at the back, and then replacing it and turning the power back on. If the unit won't rotate, it may be necessary to replace the central control unit, which should be done by a qualified technician. Another potential solution is to reset the washer by unplugging it for about 20 minutes and then plugging it back in to see if the issue is resolved. Additionally, it's a good idea to inspect the wiring harness connections at the interface board and at the control board, and if necessary, reach out to a professional with experience in similar repairs to possibly replace the interface board.